Yes, so Kiara. Welcome to Subic.
First time going out.
Yeah, first time ba, bebe? Yeah. Welcome to Boardwalk, Subic. Dito tayo mga lodi. Dito tayo, madaming stall. Madaming sasakyan. Marami nakatambay. Para mag-relax. Oh, may mga stall na. Bango. Yeah. Bango na nak. Bango. Bango. What do you want?
I just want to see the sun.
What do you like?
Tastes like tacos.
What do you like? Soft drinks? Huh?
I want to see the sea. No, I want soft drinks. I want to see the sea.
There, oh, you can see there later. Daming stall ng pagkain.
Soft drinks.
Soft drinks. Yeah. You're gonna buy soft drinks, you see? Soft drinks. You want Milo?
No, I want soft drinks.
You want soft drinks? Takoyaki. Ayun. Pulse bite. Embeg mo? We put the camera here on the head of my daughter. Kiara. Ay. Yun pala. I put the camera on my daughter's head. Here's my daughter.
Milo and soft drink.
You want Milo soft drink?
I don't know.
What do you like? Only Milo? Isa lang.
Okay. I want Milo.
What's that?
Can we get Milo?
Milo?
Let me.
Wow. Sisig, kare-kare. Guys, ate. Hey, look at me. Tada. Ang daming stall dito mga lods. Hindi kayo magugutom. Dito naman yan sa Subic Harbor Point. There's Kiara. Siyempre, wala nga eh.
May sisig tayo, free fried rice.
Magkano sa sisig na
Ano po, 230, may kasamang dalawang fried rice.
Dalawang fried rice, sir.
Sisig na lang. Sisig. Isang sisig.
Isang sisig po. Ang sisig.
Yeah, hotdog. Okay. Hotdog ba?
Sisig.
Ano pa ka?
Like barbecue ito, like fried.
Saan ba yung may...
Ha? Di ba?
Kumakain eh, oh. Dahil kapag may pinapakain dito mga lodi, hindi kayo magugutom. Mga inumin din, oh. Later na. I'll get the hot dog of your sister pa. So, kain tayo. Sisig.